Jai Sai Ram. Story of Valli. Valli is a Hindu goddess and consort of god Kartikeya. She is the form of Vishnu's daughter Sundaravalli. Valli and Devyani in their previous birth were Amudavalli and Sundaravalli, two sisters who desired to attain moksha through Lord Muruga. They started doing tapas in one of the hillocks. They died in their ripe old age without attaining moksha. In their next birth, on account of their past karmas, Devyani was born as Indra's daughter in heaven as Devasena, and Valli was born in a tribal family in earth. Yet, they remembered their penance and spiritual quest and continued to pray to attain Muruga, their spiritual guru. After the destruction of Surapadma, all the gods were pleased. The king of gods Indra gifted his daughter Devasena to Muruga. In time, Muruga realized that Valli did just as much penance and deserved to reach him. So, he looked out for her in the forest, made fun with her, teased her, and eventually obtained her through the grace of Lord Ganesh, his brother. It was only due to Ganesh that Valli was able to realize that the young man who kept chasing and teasing her was a true object of love or salvation, Lord Muruga. It is very common for women sannyasis to visualize God as their husband. The marriage is the union of Jivatma and Paramatma and not an ordinary marriage that humans perform for progeny and conjugal bliss. In ancient times, mountainous regions in South India were ruled by various tribes. The chief of the Kuravar tribe, Nambi Rajan, and his wife prayed to the mountain god Murugan for a girl child. Their prayers were answered, resulting in the birth of a girl named Valli. She grew up as the princess of the mountain tribe. Some myth states that Valli was born from a doe when a sage laid eye on it during a momentary lapse in his meditation. According to Sri Lankan mythology, the events occurred among the Veda people near Katharagama, Sri Lanka. However, South Indian Puranas state that Katharagama was place where Murugan stationed his army during his war with Surapadman. Valli had her heart and soul dedicated to Murugan and would always pray with fervent devotion and love to be with him. Once, the chief tribal planned to develop a field for growing thinai, that is foxtail millet, and assigned Valli in charge of its production from pest. Moved by Valli's devotion, Murugan met her in the form of a handsome tribal hunter who had lost his way on a hunting chase. This form of Murugan is called as Veduvan Kolam, is worshipped at the Palniyappar temple at Belukurichi. Valli did not recognize the stranger and promptly asked him to leave the place. Seeing the chief arriving at the field with honey and fruits for Valli, Murugan turned himself into a tree. After the chief and his followers left, the god changed back into his hunter form and proposed his love to Valli. The princess, who had only Murugan in her heart, was infuriated at the proposal and lashed out at the hunter. When the chief and his followers returned to the place, Murugan disguised as an old man. The chief, on seeing the aged man, requested him to stay with Valli till he and his hunting party returned. The old man was hungry and asked Valli for food. She gave him a mixture of the millet flour and honey. However, it made him thirsty and he asked for water. She provided water from a nearby stream. He jokingly remarked that she had satisfied his thirst and she could quench his thirst for a companion. Valli was angered again and started to leave the place. He requested assistance from his divine brother Ganesha, who appeared as a wild elephant at that time. On seeing the wild elephant, Valli was catched and ran back to the old man, pleading him to save her from the elephant. Murugan proposed to save her only if she agreed to marry him. In the heat of the moment, she agreed, and he reveals his true form. It was then Valli realized that it was her beloved lord who was with her all the time. After the millet harvest was over, the chief with his daughter and entourage returned to their native land. Murugan returned to Valli in the guise of the aged man, and the couple spent time away from Valli's family. Nambi Raja, on being alerted about Valli's absence, flew into rage and went in search of her. When the search was partly finally found Valli with Murugan, the chief and his men shot arrows at Murugan, but they all failed to even touch the god, and instead the chief and his sons became lifeless. Valli was disheartened to see the lifeless bodies of her kith and kin, and requested him to bring them back to life. Murugan instructed her to revive them herself. By her mere touch, everyone was brought back to life. The chief Nambi Raja and his tribesmen realized that it was Murugan in the form of an old man and prayed to him. Murugan took his true form and blessed the tribesmen, and the chief conducted the marriage of his daughter and Murugan. This place came to be known as Vallimalai, the divine place, where Murugan and Valli spent their time in courtship and eventually got married. It is located in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu state in South India. After their wedding, Murugan and Valli moved to Tirthani in Tamil Nadu, which is one of the Arupade Veedu, the 6 battled camps of Lord Murugan. Lesson from the story of Valli. The penance of Valli paid her whatever she liked. It happened through pure devotion. Likewise, let us all show our true devotion to Baba with Shraddha and Saburi. Baba will look at the devotion and bless his devotee. He will fulfill all prayers of his devotees. Lord Murugan made fun with Valli and teased her in several ways. All these initially looked like troubling her, but finally he gave her whatever she wanted. All our current troubles are temporary and are like Baba giving us to overcome our past karma. Let us have faith on Baba, and at last he will satisfy our needs. In modern days, we cannot do penance like olden days. Sat Charitra is a divine tool given by Baba to reach him. Hence, we read Sat Charitra with pure devotion. Mahaparayan group is fully formed for the devotees to read Sat Charitra in a systematic way, and it is like modern penance. Let us all undertake this penance without fail. Read Sat Charitra on all Thursdays. Baba will be pleased and our prayers will be answered. Jai Sai Ram. Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai.